for today's video, we're using a scientific calculator to solve a nonlinear equation. So let's go! So now we will using the scientific calculator, the Casio of FX991ES plus, and thus we solve these linear equations. So the first one is the 5x plus 3y is equal to 16. 3x minus 3y equals to 0. So before we put these equations, we need to do for the scientific calculator is click the mode or the setup, and then click the number 5, and then the number 1. So if you see, the first equation is 5x plus 3y equals 16. So we put in this scientific calculator the 5 equal 3 equal and 16. So ito makikita nyo. So the other equation, the 3x minus 3y is equal to 0. So 3 equal negative 3 equal 0. So for value of x and y, we need to click this equal para malaman natin ang value ni x and y. Equal. So the value of x is equal to 2. And the y is equals to 2 again. So we write the value of x and y. So now we will go to the other linear equation problem. So the number 2 is 2x plus y equals to 8. X minus y is equals to 1. So first thing we do is to remove all the answer from the other equations. So 0 na siya lahat. So we put the 2x plus y equal 8. 2 equal, so plus y. So there's no numbers. We all know if there's no number, there are a visible number 1. So plus y, which is the positive 1. And lastly, the 8. So we go to the second equation, the x minus y equals 1. So I already said, if there's no numbers, so there are visible number 1. So the first one is x. So positive 1 equal. So negative y. So negative 1 equal. And lastly, the 1. So, para malaman natin ang value ni x and y, we click this equal. So, the value of x is equal to 3. And the value of y is equal to 2. So, we put the value of x is equal to 3. Y is equal to 2. So, now we will go to the number 3 equation or linear problem is number 3. So, we click the AC to remove all. 0, 0. So now the 3 is 2x plus y is equal to 7 and x plus y is equal to 4. So the first equation is 2 plus y, which is the positive y because there are a visible number 1. 1. And then lastly the 7. So now we will go to x plus y is equal to 4. So positive 1 because x, and positive 1 for y, and 4. So, we click this equal para malaman na natin ang value ni x and y. So, the value of x is equal to 3. And we click again the equal to know the value of y. So, the value of y is equal to 1. So, we will write the value of x and y. X is 3, y is equal to 1. AC again, remove all the answer from the past equation. So we all go to the number 4. So if you see 4x plus 3y equals 17 and x plus 3y equals 8. So we put to this equation onto this scientific calculator. The first one is 4 equal, the second one is 3 equal, and lastly the 17. So we'll go to the x plus 3y equals 8. So x, which is the positive 1 because there's a visible number 1. And lastly the 3y. So 3 and 8. So if we equal this, So the value of x is equal to 3 and y is 5/3. 5/3. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to 5/3. We will go to our last linear equations, which is this. So kanina nandun naman siya sa may mga problem natin. Inilipat ko siya ng papel para mas malinawan tayo dahil ito ay 3 variables and 3 equations. While yung mga dati nating problem na sinagutan kanina is dalawa lang yung variable and dalawa yung equations. So bago sa atin to. So ngayon, paano nga ba natin siya isi-solve using the scientific calculator? So kanina, ang gamit natin is dalawang variable lang. So, ipipindutin mo ulit si mode. So, si 5 uli. And then, kanina, pinindot natin si 1. Ngayon, ipipindot natin is 2. So, ito ang lalabas. Ngayon, ipuput lang natin yung mga numbers dito. So, the first one is 2. Lipat ko lang siya. So, 2. So, pindutin ng equal. So, ngayon, si plus y equals to 1. Negative z is equals to negative 1 and equals to 8. So, second equation is negative 3. Negative 3. So, negative y, so negative 1 yon. So, plus 2z, so 2 is equals to negative 11. So, last equation is negative 2 is equals to plus y, which is 1 siya. So, plus 2z, so 2, is equal to negative 3. So, para makuha natin yung value ni x and y and z, pindutin lang natin si equal. So, the value of x is equal to 2. So, i-write lang natin yung value. And pindutin ulit si equal. So, ang value ni y is equal to 3. And si z, pindutin lang ulit natin yung equal. So, si c is negative 1. So, tada! This is our answers from using the scientific calculator. Hello everyone! This is me again, Lea Christine Egagnan from BSE 3C. So, kanina, sinolve natin ang mga linear equation problem using our scientific calculator. So, nakuha naman natin ang value ni x, y, and z. So, ngayon, gusto natin malaman kung tama ba yung mga nakuha nating value or nakuha nating sagot by using the scientific calculator. So, now, we will solve a linear equation using our elimination method. So, the first problem, which is the 5x plus 3y equals 16, and the second equation, the 3x minus 3y equals 0. So, susulat lang natin ulit siya. 5x plus 3y equals 16, 3x minus 3y is equal to 0. So, first step, which is, we add these two equation para ma-remove natin si y. So, 5x plus 3y, which is 8x. So, 3y plus minus 3y, so, ma-remove na natin yan kasi 0 na nalalabas dyan. So, equal 16. Kasi, ibababa lang natin si 16 dahil wala naman nang i-add kay 16. So, which is 8x is equal 16. So, ito na nakuha natin. So, now, para makuha natin si value ni x, so, we will divide it to the 8. So, ma-remove na natin si 8 dito. So, ang lalabas na is x. So, ngayon, 8 divided by 16, which is 2. So, nakuha na natin ang value ni x, which is ere naman din ang nakuha natin na value from the scientific calculator. So, now, we will continue to know the value of y. So, ang x natin is equal to 2. So, gagamitin natin tong second equation, which is 3x minus 3y equals 0. So, ang x natin is equal to 2. 3 times 2 minus 3y equals 0. So, 3 times 2 is 6. Minus 3y equals 0. So, ililipat lang natin si 6 dito sa kabilang side. So, magiging 3y equals 6. Divided by 3. So, ma-remove natin si 3. O, ang titira na lang ay si y. So, 3 divided by 6 is equals to 2. So, tama nga ang nakuha natin sa number 1 linear equation problem, which is ang value ni x is equals to 2 and ang value ni y is equals to 2. Therefore, the x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2. So, tama siya. So, now, we will do it in number 2 problem. So, sa number 2, susulat ko lang muna siya. 2x plus y is equals to 8 and x minus y is equals to 1. So, using the elimination method again, we will remove the y. So, susulat ulit natin siya. Equals to 8. X minus y is equals to 1. So, we need to do is add these two equations to remove the y. So, add natin siya. So, 2x plus x, which is 3x. Kasi, may visible number 1 dito. So, y plus negative y. So, magiging 0 naman na siya. Wala na siya. So, mariremove na natin si y. Ngayon, 8 plus 1, which is 9. So, para makuha natin ang value ni x, i-divide natin yung both side to 3. Para mawala si 3 sa kabilang side. So, mawawala na siya. Ang matitira na lang si x. So, 3 divided by 9 is equals to 3. Tama. So, nakuha na natin ang value ni 3. So, now, we will continue to know the value of y. So, kanina nakuha na natin si 3. So, using this second equation, which is x minus y is equals to 1. So, ang ating value ng x is equals to 3. 3 minus y is equals to 1. So, ililipat lang natin si 3 dito. So, magiging negative 3 kasi positive to. Pag nilipat natin, magiging negative yan. So, matitira na lang is y. 1 minus 3. So, 1 minus 3 is equals to 2. So, that is the answer again. So, ano nga ba yung nakuha natin sa number 2 kanina? So, nakuha natin sagot sa number 2 kanina is si x is equals to 3, tama siya. And si y is equals to 2, tama din siya. Therefore, the value of x is equals to 3 and the value of y is equals to 2. So, tama na ang number 2. So, now we will go to number 3. So, ang number 3 natin, which is the 2x plus y is equal to 7 and x plus y is equals to 4. So, using our elimination method, gagamitin ulit natin siya sa number 3. So, makikita nyo, kailangan natin i-times si x plus y equals 4 na equation na to, so negative 1. Para maging negative si y. So, 2x plus y is equals to 7. So, negative 1 times x, which is there are a visible number 1, magiging negative x na lang siya. Negative 1 times plus y. So, magiging negative y. Ngayon, negative 1 times 4, which is equals negative 4. So, i-add natin yung 2 equation na to remove the y. Remove na siya. So, 2x minus x or plus negative 1, which is the 1x lang siya. So, x na lang yan. Is equals to 7 plus negative 4 is equals to 3. So, nakuha agad natin ang value ni x. So, now, we will continue to know the value of y. So, y. So, ito ang gagamitin nating equation, the x plus y is equals to 4. So, si x is equals to 3. 3 plus y is equals to 4. So, ililipat lang natin si 3. Dahil positive si 3, pag nilipat natin siya, magiging negative 3 siya. So, y is equals to 4 minus 3. So, y is equals to 1. So, ang kanina, nakuha nating value ni x is 3. Tama to? Eh, nakuha nating value sa y is 1 din. So, tama to. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 3 and the value of y is equal to 1. Tama, ito. Ito ang nakuha natin kanina. So now we will go to the number 4 equations. So we will go to number 4. So the number 4, which is the 4x plus 3y is equal to 17. And then x plus 3y again is equal to 8. So, gagamitin uli natin yung elimination method. So, gagawin natin is ita-times uli natin ito sa negative 1 para maging negative 3y to. So, ililipat lang natin sa 4x plus 3y is equal to 17. So, negative 1 times x, which is magiging negative x. Negative 1 times 3y, which is negative 3y. And then, negative 1 times negative 1 times 8 is equal to negative 8. So, mare-remove na natin si 3y at positive 3y. So, 4x plus negative 1. So, 3x is equals to 17 minus 17 plus negative 8. So, 9. Di-divide natin kay 3 para ma-remove na si 3 dito sa kabila. So, ma-remove na si 3. Ang matitira na lang is x. So, 3 divided by 9 is equals to 3. Tama tayo. So, ito rin yung nakuha nating value ni x sa scientific calculator. So, tama ito. So, we will continue to know the value of y. So, using the second equation again, so, x plus 3y is equals to 8. So, ang value ni x is 3. So, si x magiging 3 plus 3y is equals to 8. So, ililipat lang natin si 3 dito sa side na to. So, dahil positive siya, magiging negative 3 siya. So, magiging 3y is equals to 8 minus 3. So, 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. Ay, 5. So, 5. Ngayon, para mawala si 3, i-divide natin siya sa 3. So, mare-remove na si 3 dito. Ang matitira na lang si y. So, y is equal to 5 third. So, tama ulit tayo dito dahil ito rin nakuha natin value ni y using the scientific calculator. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 3 and the value of y is equal to 5 over 3. So, ito ang mga nakuha nating value using the scientific calculator. So, tama ulit tayo. So, now we will go to the last equation. So, now we will go into our last equation problem. So, this last equation problem having the 3 variables and 3 equations. So, ngayon, gagamitin ulit natin yung using elimination method. So, kanina, nakuha naman natin yung value ni x, y, and z using the calculator. So, ngayon, gagamitin natin yung elimination method para makuha natin yung value ni x and y and z. So, para malaman din kung tama yung sagot o nakuha natin kay scientific calculator. So, ang una natin gagawin is adding the two equation para makakuha tayo ng other equation, which is the equation number 4. So, 2x plus y minus z is equal to 8 plus 3x, negative 3x siya, negative 3x minus y plus 2z is equal to negative 11. So, ginamit natin tong elimination method na to para ma-eliminate kaya yung isang variable. So, ma-eliminate si y. So, 2x plus magiging negative x plus z, kasi negative c plus 2z is equals to 1. So, 8 plus negative 11 is equals to negative 3. So, equation number 4 na to. So, now we will go to equation number 5 using these two equations. So, 2x plus y minus z is equals to 8. So, negative 2x po to Negative 2x plus y plus 2c equals negative 3. So, ma-remove na itong si x, 2x, giging 2y plus z is equals to 5. So, ito na yung equation number 5. So, ayan, nakuha na natin. So, kukunin natin ngayon si equation number 6 and 7 using this equation 4 and 5. So, using this, si negative x plus z is equal to negative 3. So, para makuha natin yung i-rearrange natin siya. So, magiging x equals c plus 3. So, mare-remove na yung dalawang negative na to. Kasi nga, nire-arrange mo na siya. So, the other variable, so ito na yung equation number 6. So, other variable of equation, which is equation number 5, 2y plus z is equals to 5. So, re-arrange natin siya. Magiging y is equals to 2y and 2y is equals to 5 minus z. So, di-divide natin sa 2 para ma-remove to. Magiging y 5 minus z over 2. So, yung dalawang equation is gagawin natin yung value ni x and y. So, gagamitin natin yung first equation para makuha natin yung value ni c at i-apply natin yung value ni x and y na nakuha natin sa equation. Because our first equation is 2x plus y plus c equals to 8. So, i-apply natin yung x and y na value natin. So, mangyayari dyan is 2 quantity c plus 3 plus y, which is 5 minus c over 2 plus c equal 8. So, dahil meron tayong fractions, ita-times natin yung both side to 2. So, mangyayari dyan is 4 quantity c plus 3 plus 5 minus c plus 2c is equals to 16. Nang dahil nasa labas pa si 4, i-spread natin si 4 kay c plus 3. So, mangyayari dyan is 4c plus 12 plus 5 minus c plus 2c is equals to 16. So, pagsasamahin natin si 4c minus z plus 2c, and then ililipat natin si 12, 5 sa katabi ng sides ni 16. So, 4c minus c is negative 3c plus 2c is equals to 16 minus 7. Negative 3c plus 2c is c is equals to negative 1. So, nakuha na natin yung value ni c, which is negative 1. So, kukunin natin yung value ni x and y. So, para makuha natin yung value ni x and y, gagamitin natin yung equation 4, which is yung x equals c plus 3, and then i-apply natin yung value ni c. So, magiging x is equals to negative 1 plus 3, x is equals to 2. So, nakuha na natin yung value ni x and z. Ngayon, kukunin naman natin yung value ni y. Gagamitin natin equation yung equation 5, which is yung 2y plus c equals to 5. So, ang mangyayari dyan is 2y plus negative 1 plus equals 5. So, si negative 1, idilipat natin sa katabi ni 5, which is 2y, 5 minus y. Magiging 2y equals 4. I-divide natin siya kay 2 para mawala si 2. So, magiging y is equals to 2. Therefore, our value of x is equals to 2. And then, ang value of y is equals to 2 again. And then, ang value ni z is negative 1. So, ganyan din nakuha nating value kanina kay calculator. Yun lang po. Thank you!